Welcome to Sikho.ai, introducing Xfer Serum Mastery, complete wavetable synthesis and advanced sound design. Unlock the full potential of Xfer Serum, the industry-standard wavetable synthesizer. This course dives deep into Serum's powerful features, from fundamental synthesis to advanced sound design techniques. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, Serum Fundamentals and Core Interface Exploration. Module 2, Advanced Wavetable Manipulation and Synthesis Techniques. Module 3, Dynamic Sound Design and Practical Application. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.